The flow source is an important part of the design. Every water system needs one. So select it from the toolbar and locate that wherever your water system is connecting, whether that's a water main or an existing connection point in a building. Click where you want to locate it, and then you can enter in the name, the residual and static pressure, because it's going to look at the worst case pressure calculations using the residual and the best case with static. And then the height is important too, because everything thinks in 3D. And just make sure that the height is in relation to the floor. So if that's 3 meters below the floor, don't put -3. It would be 47 because that's at 50.